How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of chubby hands, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So we are going to do a little bit of a workout, you guys. First thing that we're going to do is we are going to do some hand curls. I think this is a great exercise, not only for getting veiny hands, but for getting rid of chubby hands. So that's 10, keep going. So that's only 20 reps. We're going to stop there. With chubby hands, I found it's better to do more exercise variation as opposed to more reps. That's 20, perfect, quick little break. Okay, the next exercise that we're going to do is going to be the claw stretch. So we're going to get our fingers, we're going to squeeze really, really tight, and we're going to hold this for 20 seconds. Now, when doing this, the point of this exercise is squeeze. So again, with my fingers, I'm squeezing the whole entire time. I'm not just sitting there with my fingers like this. You got to be squeezing them the entire time. That's what makes this exercise effective. So keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Perfect, quick little break. Another exercise I really, really like is interlocking your fingers and then pressing down. This is great for getting rid of the fat on the top of the hands, you guys. 4, 5, 7. Keep going. 11, 12, 15. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise that we're going to do, you guys, is going to be moving our fingers back and forth, just like this. Do this for about 20 seconds. Perfect, quick little break. We are then going to go like this. It's 20, keep going. 30, perfect. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.